dance, heralding the storm's imminent arrival. The forest braces itself, awaiting the full onslaught of the brewing storm. In the heart of the forest, the storm unleashes its fury as rain descends with relentless intensity. Driven by primal instinct, the forest's creatures scatter wildly, each desperately seeking sanctuary from the deluge. Perched precariously on a branch high above, a solitary baby squirrel faces the storm's wrath, its fragile form exposed to the elements. The tiny creature, dwarfed by the immensity of the storm, finds itself stranded, its strength failing against the tempestuous winds. Each gust of wind threatens to tear it from its precarious perch as the relentless rain pelts its delicate fur. Too weak to descend, the baby squirrel clings desperately to the swaying branch.